Hello, Harichandran. Congratulations on the completion of 30 years at Bosch. Thank you for your wonderful support whenever I needed it, and best wishes on your continuous improvement journey. Bye.
Hi Hari, congratulations on completing 30 years at Bosch. If I were asked to name a few true Boschlers who really have been dedicated, committed to the organization and its people, one of the first names that comes to my mind is Hari. Hari, thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for the trust that you enable in people, blue collar, white collar, across the board. Thank you for being ready to serve at any point of time, the latest one being when COVID struck us and we were looking at who can set up and run a center. It was Hari. But Hari, going back many years ago to the Bangalore plant, I still remember you and connect you with one thing among the many things, and that's SIP. If I were to think of the greatest SIP promoter, for me, SIP is synonymous with Hari. Hari, thank you for the 30 years at Bosch and wish you many more wonderful years, great life, good health and happiness.
Hari, congratulations on completing 30 years in Bosch. You're someone I've known since my MVC days as a TGT, and I've had the pleasure of working with you on many topics in the last years. Hari, we used to refer to you in the BBS department as template, not because you used to make so many templates for VLTs, but because you always had this, smile template on your face, and you're one of the most friendly and approachable people that I've worked with in Bosch. It's really been a pleasure. You are a person who made QCs and VLTs a movement in Bangalore plant with your way of coaching people, training people and connecting with them. It was really great working with you, and I wish you many more days of happiness, good health and success in Bosch.
Hi Hari, congratulations on completing 30 years of service. Wonderful achievement. First of all, you're a very wonderful human being. I can just compare you with Karna of Mahabharata. Anybody can come to you and then you will never send them back empty-handed. You will always give a lending hand to them and support them for whatever personal help or professional help. Keep going. And also I had a great time working with you during my days in BPS. Wonderful in terms of your passion, your energy and connect was always really wonderful. That was really helpful for me also. I always enjoyed working with you. Keep going. I wish you many more wonderful years of service ahead. All the best.
Dear Hari, congratulations for completing 30 years of service with Bosch. It must be a very proud moment for you and your family. If I look back to our common denominator in the Bosch history, then I think our common denominator is Bosch Production System. For me, you are the heart and the brain of Bosch Production System in India. I really admire your engagement with regard to the Juken activities. You have proven with the Juken activities that you are implementation oriented, that you are people oriented and also solution oriented. Furthermore, you as a cross-business field manager for trainings in the C-Test department, you have proven that you can drive forward an international team and that you can develop new ideas with a high motivation and a lot of energy. Thanks a lot for all what you have done for Bosch in the 30 years. Thanks a lot for all what you have done for Bangalore plant, for Bidadi plant and also for CTS. I wish you all the best for your further career in Bosch. Stay healthy and I'm looking forward to meet you again personally. Thank you very much, Hari.
Good morning, colleagues. It gives an immense pleasure in congratulating Mr. Hari for completing 30 years of his service at Bosch. To say a few, my bonding with Hari has been very good from the days of VLT QFC in Ban plant when I was the TEF coordinator. Hari has a great quality of getting along with people with ease, and I have been awestruck with the handwriting of his, which has been appreciated by one and all on his flip charts and symposiums. He has been a good moderator, has moderated many of the projects for the team levels, at the team levels. Thank you, Hari, for all the support and your dedicated service to Bosch, and wishing you all the best for your future.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Hari. When Bairesh asked me to speak a few words on the occasion of completion of 30 years of your service in Bosch, I was very glad to accept the same. Thank you, Bairesh. The first thought that comes to my mind when I think of Hari is his ever smiling, almost like laughing face. I have come to know that while it takes 33 muscles to be activated to keep the face stern or serious, it just takes 5 to make the face smile. So keep smiling, Hari. I really like it. The second thought that comes to my mind is of the role of moderator that Hari enacted or took up in all projects, in so many SIP workshops that we attended. That's very difficult to forget the way systematically he would handle the entire role of a moderator. Keep it up, Hari, and wish you all the best in every endeavor. May success come to you. Thank you and have a good day.
Hi Hari, many congratulations on completing 30 years at Bosch. It's a big milestone and it's really a moment to cherish. I reflect the time that we had spent together very closely in the Jishuken cycle at NHP1. I really appreciate your willingness to work together in the team and developing the team to the next level. So, great spirits. Keep going. All the best to you for the future. Wish you a lot of success, health, wealth, and peace. See you.
Dear Mr. Hari, congratulations for your 30 successful years in Bosch. We hope that this 30 successful years is filled with memorable incidents, experience, and contacting a lot of beautiful people in your life. My association with Hari is quite long back. I can put it in very simple words. Hari is not in hurry. Hari is not in hurry. That means that you are very patient, you are very polite, and you are a very good mentor and motivator. So I congratulate for your successful completion. Once again, all the best. Keep good health. Thank you.
Hello Hari sir, my best wishes for your 30 years at Bosch. Keep rocking.
Hi Papa, congratulations for your 30 years of work service in your company. I don't know much about your work service, but I do remember seeing you working in these 9 months of lockdown. I have seen you struggle for your project works, everything. I have learnt many things from you. If I have to name, maybe handwriting. Handwriting is the main thing. I cannot compete with you. That's the best handwriting I have seen. The second thing is perfection. You like perfection in everything. Let it be your presentation or assignments or any work. You like it very much. So there are many other things which I have learned from you, and there are many things which I have to learn. So once again, I wish you a very healthy life and stay healthy. Wishing you a good luck for your future successions.
Hi Pa, congratulations on your 30 years of service. I know it's a big deal, but I still remember you were a guide, and I have seen your attitude of never giving up on any project that was given to you. So I don't remember much about the previous years, but I do remember the recent years where I've seen you struggle every day and night without giving up, and that is what I have learned from you, and I would like to take it forward in my future too. So more than a guide, you were a very good critic, I would like to say. So you were telling me what is right and what is wrong, what not to do, which is right to do at which situation. So you made me a kind of a person which I would not imagine to be, and I'm really grateful for it and thankful for it. So I guess you deserve everything that is needed in this world to shine and smile and stay healthy. What more to tell? So on behalf of the entire family, that you have given us so much love and you have taken care of us without even showing us a little sense of difficulty. So you are a greatest support to our family. So I would like to thank you once again, and be the way you are. You are my father and I'm really proud to be your daughter. So you are the best employee I feel in the company. So 30 years says it all, and all the best.
ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ರೀ. 30 ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಲ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ನಾವೇನೋ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್.